Did you find the Easter Bunny or Dust Bunnies this weekend? All those areas that you normally don't get clean. Hi, so welcome to Just 2020. How long has it been? Since the last time you were dusting. How many seasons have passed? I love this picture. If you can't remember, it might be time. Take 15 minutes. Grab a cloth, grab the broom, grab that little duster thing. Let's get to cleaning. So it's pretty obvious that I've been neglecting this corner because I have a dead plant. Do you ever think that you need to clean above those lamps? And maybe that picture? And maybe those blinds? There's a few things that we usually forget about. So my trusty, dusty, wonderful. Yes, it's not environmentally friendly, but I'm gonna get the dust off of there. And look at that, wonderful. Off the picture top. Look at that. I don't know if I can see in these. Ooh, let's see how bad they are. Ooh. How about those window sills? Yeah. All those places that you didn't get to. You haven't thought about. Especially since I still have my Christmas lights up. Since I have allergies, I should be doing this more often. But that is the one place that I don't really do too well at. And Halloween's over, so we don't need those cobwebs. It's not in season. Ooh, that isn't. I think we're gonna have to do a good scrub of that. But for now, 15 minutes of quick dusting, then this is gonna have to do for now. And it doesn't make a huge difference because there's dust. And what about those picture frames? How often do you dust them? Probably not enough. I think I need to actually scrub these. That's how long it's been. I admit I'm bad at this. So that is a new habit that I need to get better at. And door frames. How long has it been? I don't even think I've really looked closely at that until now I have my camera. So let's just give that a swipe. Ooh. Cobwebs. Yep, those gotta go. Can you reach it? You can use a broom and a towel. Oof. Yep. It's time. Let's go through your house. Oh, we have hooks. We put our stuff on there, but do we clean it off? Although I don't have great new electronics, I still have, as you can see, the dust is floating because I'm disturbing it. But just a little dusting can go a long way. How about your TV? When was the last time you dusted your TV? Have you thought about it? When it's off, give it a good dusting. You might be surprised at how much is really on there. Ooh. When was the last time we cleaned this part on the stairs and the railing? I mean, the vacuum gets the other side, but do we sweep this side? Do we leave it and forget it and expect it to be all taken care of? We gotta remember, if we have allergies, or we don't think about these things, that might be just why they invented spring cleaning. So here's a fun one. When was the last time that you cleaned your light fixtures? I was doing my cupboards the other day for my spring cleaning of my drawer and my cupboard, remember? And I noticed that, yeah, these are kind of dusty, so I think we're just gonna have to start at the top and work our way down. Let's see. I think they didn't need a scrub, because do I remember washing these when I moved into this house? I don't think I did. No, maybe I must have. At least once. That's 3 years. I know I didn't take the shades off. So that's a problem. Yeah, I think I either need a new duster or this thing really needs a good, oh yeah. Yeah, it's stuck on there so much that the duster's not even gonna fix that. Let's be honest, it's decluttered and I'm happy about that. But if you look closely, there be dust and dirt And that's going to need a good scrub. And the duster is not going to be enough for that because you have a lot of moisture in your bathroom. Hey, did you remember the mirror? To dust on top of the mirror? Yeah. Even in here. Remember that part? Oh, look at that. How that makes a difference. Woot. But it still has some staining and some dirt, so we're going to have to do that. You dry your hands and then some splatter, some water. And if you're dusty and dirty, there it is. So I think we are making our spring cleaning list even longer. So today we're dusting, tomorrow we're scrubbing. You don't think about it, but the doors have to be wiped off too. So I love my end table or nightstand or whatever you call it, but it's dusty. So take a minute and clean that. That looks much better. And remember on your bed, do that. Any curtain rods that you have, those need to get done. The bottom of the windowsill, yep, that's got to get done. And your dresser tops, they get dusty real fast. Don't know why, but you know it's not good for you. So let's get to dusting. Just give it a quick go. And then the next one, nice and easy. I do like these little things. You can tell how dusty it was because it kind of came off onto the next piece of furniture. So we might have to get a new little dust bunny, dust buddy. Even silly little areas that are just little. See the difference? Little bits of dust everywhere. And if you have electric baseboards, you'll notice this one has a whole pile. This is a room that I'm not in very, this is a guest bedroom. And look how much we've found here. Get a lot of dust. And your plant stands are going to have a lot of dust and dirt. I like my plants, but sometimes the dust and dirt happen. And I've even heard people cleaning their plants, dusting them. So that might be a great idea. If you enjoy having plastic container drawers, they do get dust in here, and in here, and in here. You know, any little surface. And you don't seem to think about it until somebody else goes in there and goes, ooh. Or when you have visitors, that's when you notice. Oh, see, look at all that dust. Ooh. Yeah, you can tell how long it's been. I am not a duster. So it is embarrassing for me to say that a lot of this stuff is so dusty that it's actually like dirty, like stuck. So it's just going to take more than a duster for me to get a lot of this clean. Just running around with this duster has shown me that those areas that need that cleaning and that scrubbing. And so I can write them on my list to do, or I can just take a day and decide that's 15 minutes scrubbing everything in sight. Because obviously my house needs it. I've been so busy probably just trying to keep the main areas clean enough and decent, and then all the other stuff kind of gets some attention. So taking the time to just add 15 minutes of spring cleaning and decluttering to your day can help you find those areas that are really not looking so good and really need a whole lot of extra attention, because yes, my world needs a whole lot of extra attention and cleaning. So you'll know that, you know, if you're worse than me, it's okay. Or you're at my level, it's okay. We can do this. We can make changes and make things look better. Because I'm showing you the hidden secrets in the areas. And if you're doing better than I am, then hopefully this video reminds you to go ahead and keep up those areas so they don't get as bad as you see on my video or in my house. And you can give yourself a pat on the back and be proud that, hey, you're doing good. Maybe tomorrow is better. Maybe today's a good day. I hope you had a great Easter and happy cleaning.